Imagine turning your kitchen into a futuristic cooking haven with just a few amazing gadgets. Today, we're diving into 7 must-have smart kitchen gadgets that will absolutely transform how you cook and make life in the kitchen more convenient. First up, let's talk about the smart pressure cooker. This remarkable device can pressure cook, slow cook, steam, and even sauté with the push of a button. You can control it from your smartphone, meaning dinner can practically make itself while you're out running errands or relaxing on the couch. How awesome is that? Next on our list is the smart refrigerator. This isn't your average fridge. It features a touchscreen interface that allows you to browse recipes, create grocery lists, and even see inside your fridge from anywhere using your smartphone. No more guessing if you're out of milk. Moving right along, we have the smart kitchen scale. Gone are the days of haphazard measurements. This gadget measures your ingredients with precision and connects to your app, ensuring every recipe comes out perfect every time. How cool is that? Now, let's spice things up with a smart thermometer. This tiny tool takes the guesswork out of cooking meats. It connects to your smartphone and gives you real-time temperature readings, so you'll know exactly when your roast is cooked to perfection. Say goodbye to overcooked dinners. Coming up 5th is the smart coffee maker. Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee because your coffee maker started brewing at the perfect time you programmed the night before. You can even control it from your phone. Talk about an energizing wake-up call. Now let's not overlook the smart air fryer. This sleek device allows you to enjoy crispy, fried foods without the guilt. It's healthier and faster. You can stream your favorite cooking shows while you cook, and some even come with preset cooking modes. Finally, we can't forget about the smart blender. With pre-programmed settings for smoothies, soups, and even crushing ice, it does all the heavy lifting for you. Plus, many of them connect to apps that help you explore recipes based on the ingredients you already have at home. So, why not elevate your culinary game with these cutting-edge gadgets? Your kitchen will not only be smart, but your meals will be remarkable. Which of these gadgets would you love to have in your kitchen? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing kitchen tips.